Hi guys, welcome back to the channel if you're new here. My name is Sean. Today I'm going to show you another footage update of the garden video right now. So yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, look at the shed so far. We've already started construction in it. There's the walls done. We've just got 2 leftover planks up here. We just need to get to the back of these walls and put some type of... Hello cat. Yeah, we've got some more going up here. We're using this chair from when we were drilling up here. This, you see a bit of the screw that's failed. There's my cat, guys. This bit's going to be a decking bit. There'll be a cover over there. I haven't got round to the roof yet, but we're soon hopefully going to get that done. Right then. See some of the tarpauling. There's the first we had to cut that down so we can put the stuff in. There's going to be a cupboard here. I think this bit, yeah, is going to be where I'll be sitting to build some Lego, and I'll be filming on the channels when the shed's ready. My dad's going to be over here. Yeah, you're okay. There's going to be sofas going here, and this bit will be a window. And that bit I just show you, there'll also be a window. The shed's going to be staying here. Got rubber and shine space stuck over there. So if you come up with him here, guys, we just literally got some wood ordered today. So under here we have these wood that we just covered up. So that's going to be the walls, and then you come over here. This wall is going to be the roof, and then that's going to be done pretty much soon, actually. And you see the hot tub up here. Yeah, that's why we have to move the tables there, because we were having the sheds there. And that's always been the good carpet's still here. We've still got that rubbish seat there, which we need to get rid of at some point. That's all I can say. Okay, guys. This is the end of the garden update. It's just a really quick one today. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a like. If you like, show it to your buddies and go ahead. If you'd like to see the rest, subscribe to the nest. Don't forget to whack the bell button so I know you're there. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.